The Dog and the Bird. Short moral story. Once upon a time, there was a dog who stole a piece of bread and ran to a field to eat it. He saw a river and thought of drinking water from it. He kept his piece of bread there and ran to drink water. But when he was drinking water from the river, he did not keep his eyes open, and his stomach remained empty. He went back to the field to eat his bread. But he saw that a bird had stolen it. The dog became angry and started barking at the bird. The bird said, "You are foolish to close your eyes while drinking water." The dog realized his mistake. He learned that he should always be careful. Moral: we should always be careful and pay attention to our surroundings.